Replacing old windows in your Crestview home with new, high-quality windows is a smart investment that can enhance your home's energy efficiency, curb appeal, and overall comfort. However, to keep your new windows performing their best for years to come, proper maintenance is essential. With the right care, you can ensure that your windows continue to function smoothly, look great, and provide energy savings. Here's how to maintain your new windows after replacement in Crestview. Regular cleaning for optimal performance. One of the simplest yet most important steps in maintaining your new windows is keeping them clean. Dust, dirt, and debris can accumulate on the window frames, glass, and sills, potentially blocking natural light and making your windows look dingy. Regular cleaning also helps prevent dirt from becoming embedded in the window's surface, which can cause scratches or discoloration over time. To clean your windows, start by wiping down the glass with a soft, non-abrasive cloth and a mild soap solution. Avoid using harsh chemicals that could damage the window's surface. For more stubborn dirt or water spots, you can use a mixture of water and vinegar to effectively remove the residue. Next, clean the window frames and sills with a soft cloth and water, making sure to remove any dirt or debris that could interfere with the window's functionality. Be sure to dry the surfaces after cleaning to prevent streaks and water spots from forming on the glass. Inspect seals and weather stripping. The seals around your windows play a crucial role in maintaining energy efficiency. If the seals or weather stripping around your windows are damaged or worn, they can allow air and moisture to enter your home, reducing insulation and leading to higher energy bills. In Crestview's hot, humid summers and cooler winters, maintaining a tight seal is especially important to ensure your home stays comfortable. Inspect the weather stripping and seals around your windows at least once a year, looking for signs of wear, cracking, or gaps. If you notice any issues, replace the weather stripping immediately to maintain a tight seal and prevent air leaks. Additionally, check the caulking around the window frame for any cracks or gaps and reapply it if necessary. Lubricate moving parts. For windows that open and close, such as sliding, casement, or double-hung windows, it's important to keep the moving parts lubricated to ensure smooth operation. Over time, dirt and grime can accumulate on the tracks or hinges, causing the windows to become difficult to open or close. Use a silicone-based lubricant on the tracks, hinges, and any other moving parts. Avoid using oil-based lubricants, as they can attract dust and dirt, causing buildup over time. A quick annual lubrication will keep your windows operating smoothly and prevent wear and tear on the components. Check for moisture and condensation. Condensation is a common issue in many homes, especially in humid climates like Crestview's. While condensation can sometimes form on the exterior of your windows during temperature changes, it can also be a sign of a potential problem with the window's seal if it appears between the glass panes. Condensation inside the window panes indicates that the seal is broken and moisture has entered between the glass layers, which could reduce the window's energy efficiency and insulation. If you notice condensation between the glass panes, it's important to have the window inspected and potentially replaced. Many window manufacturers offer warranties that cover issues like broken seals, so be sure to check the warranty terms for your windows. Prevent and remove dirt buildup in the tracks. Windows that slide or open with a sash are often prone to dirt buildup in the tracks, which can interfere with their smooth operation. Dust, leaves, and other debris can get stuck in the tracks, making it harder to open or close the window. Regular cleaning of the window tracks is essential to maintaining proper function. To clean the tracks, use a small vacuum or a handheld brush to remove any dirt or debris. You can also wipe down the tracks with a damp cloth, followed by a dry cloth to prevent moisture from lingering. This simple maintenance task will keep your windows sliding easily and prevent any long-term damage to the track system. Protect your windows from the elements in Crestview, where the weather can vary from intense summer heat to occasional rainstorms. Protecting your windows from the elements is essential to maintaining their appearance and performance. During severe weather, such as storms or heavy rains, it's a good idea to close all windows and ensure they are properly sealed to prevent water from seeping in. If your windows are exposed to direct sunlight for extended periods of time, consider installing protective window treatments, such as UV blocking films, shades, or curtains, to prevent fading of your interior furnishings and reduce heat buildup inside your home. Schedule professional inspections. While most window maintenance can be handled by homeowners, it's a good idea to have your windows professionally inspected every few years to ensure they're performing at their best. A professional can check for any hidden issues, such as seal failures, improper installation, or signs of wear that you may have missed. A professional inspection can also help ensure that your windows continue to meet energy efficiency standards, especially if you have older or higher-end models that require specialized maintenance. Taking the time to have your windows inspected can save you from costly repairs down the road and help maintain your windows' performance. Ensure proper installation. Finally, ensuring that your windows were installed properly is crucial to their long-term performance. Poor installation can lead to air leaks, water infiltration, or improper alignment, all of which can reduce the efficiency of your windows and cause damage over time. When replacing or installing new windows, make sure to hire a professional window installer who has experience with the specific type of windows you're purchasing. A quality installation ensures that your windows are sealed correctly and function optimally. Conclusion: maintaining your new windows after replacement in Crestview doesn't have to be a difficult or time-consuming task. By cleaning them regularly, inspecting seals and weather stripping, lubricating moving parts, and addressing moisture issues, you can ensure that your windows continue to perform efficiently and look great for years. Proper maintenance not only helps preserve the functionality of your windows but also contributes to your home's overall energy efficiency and comfort. By investing a little time into window care, you can enjoy the benefits of your new windows for the long haul.